Hello, hello. Welcome to the Kubernetes SIG Release meeting. Today is July 22nd. This meeting is being recorded and it's covered by the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to be excellent to each other. We have a quite short agenda for today. And before we can get started, I would like to ask you if you can go to the document and leave yourself as attendees. And one question is if we have anyone to take notes. Anyone interested to take notes?
I'll take notes.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
So, do we have anyone new on this call who would like to introduce themselves, maybe?
So hi, I'm Thomas. I've never attended the Kubernetes SIG Release meeting before. I work at Google as an SRE, and I do a lot of rollouts work. So I'm curious to understand a bit more how releasing Kubernetes work, because I also work with Kubernetes on the product that we work on.
Welcome.
Oh,
Nice
thank you.
to have you here.
Thank you very much, Marco.
Do we have anyone else who would like to say hi? Okay. The next thing that we have is the sub-project updates. I can quickly go through release engineering stuff, although I have been away on vacation for 2 weeks or something, but we had patch releases last week. Thanks to folks who handled them. I think Jeremy, not sure if anyone else worked on that, but thanks a lot. And as far as I know, no major problems, everything went fine. 1.30 is officially end of life, so I don't think that we had release for that one. And I think that in general, I don't remember seeing any significant problems, so I think everything is fine from that side. The next patch releases is scheduled for August 12. So make sure to get your cherry picks by August 8 if you have anything that you would like to get merged for the upcoming patch releases. From the OBS packages side, nothing major happening as of now. Tatiana said earlier that they're working on the unit tests, so we are looking forward to that PR as well. And thanks a lot for all your work so far. And from the supply chain security and artifact validation side, I think that we have no updates at this time. Okay, Kat, do you want to go ahead with the release team updates?
Yeah. So there is currently no drama in the release except for code freeze is this Friday. So if you are here and you own a KEP, please pay attention to the messages from the release team because you have a big deadline coming Friday. And if you miss it, you owe us an exception request or we're kicking your KEP. But that's it. We're a clean release so far.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'm not sure, maybe it's worth mentioning for folks that are interested that the first release team retro is scheduled for tomorrow. So I think it is like 5 p.m. UTC or something like that.
Yeah,
for folks who are interested. And yeah, I think that would be it from the sub-project updates. Are there any questions? I will take that as a no. If there's anything, you can always ping us on Slack. Now we can go to the open discussion part. I have 2 items. We can start from that. If you have anything, you can always add it to the agenda. And the first thing is that we have started a vote for a new SIG release meeting time for this meeting. As you can see, the attendance is not the greatest at the moment. So we decided to bring up the doodle to see if we can find a better time slot. And I would kindly ask all of you to take part of this doodle and to vote for the new meeting time. The deadline is August 3rd, so make sure to vote by then. I will probably send a few more reminders along the way. Another thing that's important is that we will be introducing some changes to the meeting. First, the meeting cadence is going to be changed to bi-weekly, so we will have this meeting every 2 weeks instead of every week, as it is the situation right now. And the other change is that there are no more alternate meeting times. They created a little bit of confusion and issues with the attendance, so we are going to change that. We are going to have only one slot, and we are working our best to find a slot that works for as many folks as possible. So that would be it regarding that topic. If there are any questions, please let me know. And for my side, there's one more sort of an announcement as of now. So it was mentioned that I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 months ago on this meeting is that we are looking into changing the cherry pick process a little bit. I have prepared an RFC or sort of proposal that we outlined that, and now it's currently in the draft phase and it's sent to SIG Release leads to take a look. As soon as we agree on everything there, I will send this to the mailing list. So I hopefully believe maybe later this week, next week, so that you're aware. But some TLDR as of now is that the cherry pick deadline is going to be Wednesday, a week ahead of the release, by the end of the time anywhere. Oh, sorry. End of the day anywhere on the world. So this is the new cherry pick deadline that's being proposed. And there are some minor changes to the process, like how everything works. We are planning to define a clear deadline for when release managers should review cherry picks and stuff like that to help and speed up process a little bit. But you will see everything as soon as the RFC goes out, and I'm hoping for later this week. Okay. Any questions? Are there any other topics to discuss today? Okay. Thank you so much all for joining, Kat. Thank you so much for taking notes today. And I wish you all very nice rest of your day and very productive week. And see you hopefully next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.